Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 15. And we've had a lot of questions about this one, which is pivot tables. So we are going to have a quick look at pivot tables this week. And in front of me, I have a set of data. Often, obviously, when you're using pivot tables, it's going to be a lot longer than this, possibly a lot more complex, but just want to show you the power of a pivot table. So in 2010, first you're going to select the data range and go to Insert, and then you click Pivot Table. As I selected the range, it's automatically put into the table range, and you say New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet. I'm going to go with a New Worksheet. So you can see it pops up on a New Worksheet. Now I can say, right, what do I want my pivot table to be designed as? So I'm going to put my items, which in this case was car, truck and van, in one column. I'm also going to say, let's have the colours underneath each of those. And then I want to see the values of their sale price and the profit. And very quickly you can see I have a pivot table which is displaying a lot of information about what I've sold, how much I sold it for. But the great thing about this is I can change it really quickly. I can say, well, I'm not really interested in the sale price anymore, only the profit. And I want to see the profit by the colour. So suddenly it jumps straight back to saying car, truck and van and splitting it by the profits I made for each of the colours of those items. So it's a very powerful tool in as far as data analysis goes, and very useful for large sets of data. You can see that there's a lot of options up the top here, and I'm not going to go into them today. We will look at pivot chart in the next tutorial.